guys, welcome to VEDA, August 6th, 2012. Today, I came up with the perfect idea. We're gonna try to give myself hiccups. First step, drink water while breathing. It just hurts my chest. It hurt my chest. Okay, that didn't work. Let's try eating a banana. I'm gonna sound Australian. Walmart. Got vampire paint. Vampire banana paint. Ah, it broke my face. It's not working. I missed. I think I feel something. Oh. That's not a hiccup. I can't hiccup. Sorry for such a horrible video, guys. I just can't hiccup. Don't forget to check out yesterday's video in which I play Scrabble Flash and fail. Check that out right here. You can also check out my Facebook page up here. You know, go and get some of the deets on what I do after the video's done. And don't forget to also check out tomorrow's video once it's tomorrow, and we'll see what I do tomorrow. Sorry I couldn't hiccup. Peace.